Okay, so here's my 2007 1.5 ton Trane XL 14i heat pump running in heat mode. Has climate up compressor. I don't know, but is it actually defrosted? It's humid, but it is in the 60s. I don't know if it's frozen or not. This one is also in heat mode, but it's 75 upstairs. It's blowing nice and cold. Suction line. It's in heat mode. It's nice and hot. So yeah, I just wanted to get a video of this unit running in heat mode. I'll try to get a video of that one running in heat mode tomorrow morning. So yeah. Now if this thing does go in the defrost, I'll be here to catch it. It is humid. And it does look like it has done it. Unless it's just water or something like that. But there's no water on this one. And this one's running in heat mode. So yeah, I think this one has defrosted. So I'll be here to catch it. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.